Hey guys, it's Hanukkah. Welcome to my channel. So, I'm a thought, and when I filmed this tutorial, I didn't film an intro or an outro, so I feel kind of fucking stupid because now I'm not wearing the cool makeup and you can't like see it, but I had that long ass 30-second intro for you to watch, so I think we're good. But today I'm going to be doing a makeup look inspired by Ariana Grande's new song, 7 Rings. I've heard some mixed feedback on it, but I personally think it's great. It's definitely not her best song in my opinion, but it's still a really good song. I think it's really fun. The whole like play on my favorite things by Julie Andrews, I don't know, I just thought it was really cool, and the lyrics in it are just so badass. Like, she is such a badass bitch. I love her so much. So yeah, I was just really excited. I love the cover more than I love the actual song. I don't know why. I love the font of the graffiti. I love the halo over the, I don't know why. Since I love the cover so much, I decided to do a look inspired by it. So it's kind of stupid, it's kind of bad, but it was fun to make, and I'm sorry that this is gonna be a voiceover because I know nobody likes voiceovers, but I like voiceovers, so you gotta do content that pleases yourself sometimes. Am I right, ladies? I thought I had to burp, but I didn't. But I knew I had to. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy the video. Let's get started. So first we starting off priming our eyelids. I'm using a different concealer than the Shape Tape today because mine is almost out and I need to buy a new one, but I don't want to spend $21 on another concealer. But I really gotta, like I need to. And I'm taking the James Charles Morphe palette. You probably suspected. I'm taking the shade Pinkity Drinkity, I'm pretty sure. And I'm putting that all up in my crease as a transition shade. It didn't really show up as much as I was expecting it to, and I was planning on making this like a light pink look, but it ended up getting really like neon pink as I started adding darker pinks, which doesn't really match the album cover, but it had to show up on my face somehow, so you're gonna fucking deal with it. I tried my best, and now I'm taking like a dark purple kind of cranberry-ish shade, and I'm putting that in the depths of my crease, and we're gonna go for like a halo spotlight eye today, so keep everything in the outer and inner corners. And I'm cutting my crease just by putting a little bit of concealer in the middle, then looking up so I know where like the top of my crease is gonna be, and then just making a little spotlight. And I was talking to August, who's gone now. I miss him so much, it's only been a day. So I'm taking the medium pink shade that we used and just blending that a little bit, and then taking the darkest pink shade and blending that closest to the harsh line, and I'm doing that on the outer and inner corner, if that makes sense. I'm not sure if it does, but we want it darker, closer to the concealer. Now I was trying to figure out what to do, and I decided to go with this glitter liner because it kind of has an iridescence that I feel like a ring would have, so I decided to put that in the middle of my lid, but I just didn't like the way that it blended too much. In hindsight, I feel like it did actually look good, but I decided to be extra and put the ring light eyeshadow on top of it and then blend it out again, just because I wanted it to pop more, but I feel like I've done something like this before. I don't know, it still looks good. So I did the other eye off camera and my eyebrows too, and now I'm using the Pixi Flash Balm or whatever to prime my face. I really like it because it's like sticky, and I'm using concealer to kind of conceal my whole face. Normally I don't put concealer all over my face like foundation because I don't like to wear foundation, but I've been breaking out hella recently, and I think I needed it today. And I was setting it like 1/2 at a time because I didn't want anything to crease, so. Wow, and there's just a lot of footage of me putting on concealer, even though you know how that be, but I wanted this to be a nice long video, so. Okay, so I decided to take like a black eyeshadow and sketch out the 7 rings first because I thought that I was gonna mess it up, but later on you'll see that I just kind of gave up on that and just started freehanding it because I think I got the idea. It was just really hard to do it backwards because I was looking in the mirror and I knew that like it was gonna be backwards, so I think that was the most challenging part of it. But I just had the album cover up as a reference picture, so I think the font was pretty easy to do actually, and in hindsight I kind of wish I had put the 7 on top of the rings because that's how it is in the album cover, but I wasn't really thinking. So now I'm bronzing my face with Chocolate Soleil Too Faced bronzer, first contouring my nose because I'm extra like that. Again, a lot of footage of me doing things that you don't actually want to see. It's gonna be like that, you know? You're not getting quality content when you subscribe to Annika Osterlund. And then I'm taking the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula and putting that on top to bronze my face. And then I'm taking the Jeffree Star Nefri highlighter, which is kind of like a pinky purpley toned highlight, and I'm highlighting with that in highlighting places. So yeah, Rachel actually gave this to me, so thanks Rachel, shout out to you. And now I just felt like it was kind of boring, so I just decided to do a little diamond on my cheek, you know, like the little kind that would be on a ring, I don't know. And then I took that same Urban Decay glitter liner and I just put that on top. I did my lower lash line. First, I just took the medium pink shade that we took and I blended that out a lot, but then I also went in with the pinkity drinkity shade and I blended that out when I was done. But then I went really close to my lash line with the darkest purple shade. I put on my Lily Lashes Miami Foam Ink. I'm really excited, this is my first time wearing them. And of course, the Fenty Gloss Bomb. And I know that this is like kind of stupid. I've never really done like a song inspired look, but I had so much fun doing this and I'm really proud of how it turned out. So I hope that you guys liked it too. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it's kind of whack and kind of whack, but I hope that you enjoyed it anyway because I had so much fun making this look. I might do more videos like this in the future because I love doing looks inspired by other things so that I have like a basis to base it off of. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like, it's not as fun for me to just do like colors as it is for me to do like my Greek god looks that I did, or like album cover looks, or like fruit looks, stuff like that, you know? That's just way more fun for me, like the face art kind of aspect of it. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, comment down below. I'd be so happy to do that for you. And yeah. So, I'm gonna go sleep now. I'm sorry that was just a trash video, but I hope that you liked it anyway. Comment, rate, subscribe. Actually, smash that like button. I put a lot of work into this. And it's like my date and keep on 7 ringing. I only have 1 ring, so. Yeah. Go from the top to the booth, make it all back in one loop. Give me the loot, never mind, I gotta